snook. Really simple, cheap and cheerful, healthy, and in lockdown. Today I'm making a traditional South African recipe called Smoorsnoek. Now you may wonder why, and I'll tell you. It's because the people at Abelobi, which is this incredible sort of NGO that provides a platform for fishermen and restaurants, well, pre-COVID, and now otherwise homes, to actually buy fish. The fishermen don't lose their livelihoods. So they are now delivering a slightly salted snook. Keeps the snook sort of fresher and doesn't go so pap and whatever. So I've got some beautiful snook here. I've just kind of steamed it so that I've got the flesh. And in fact, last night we smoked some in the smoke and it was unbelievable. So if you can get hold of that, of course you do have to live in the Western Cape, then, you know, knock yourself out. All right, I've heated some oil. I'm going to fry some onion. This is the kind of recipe, well, let me explain. In years and generations gone by, the Cape Malay slaves used to make something called a snoek sambal, which was really like snook and chilli and onion. It was a very spicy. Sorry, the dogs are freaking out again. Who knows? Every time I get on camera. It was a very sort of spicy, sort of fishy bit, and you could basically preserve the fish. And I suspect that, let me just get a spoon. I suspect that the Smoorsnoek recipe came slightly from there, because again you've got the fish and you've got the chilli and the onion. But to make it sort of stretch further, we add potato and tomato. So it's a lovely, cheap and cheerful dish. And if you can't find lightly salted fish from Abelobi, panic not. Smoked snook works perfectly well. Okay, so I'm just going to fry that about a bit. And when it starts to just slightly soften, you're going to add the chilli, garlic, and I'm going to add some ginger. I don't think it's very traditional, but I couldn't help myself. Just sort of get them to start to brown slightly. Lovely. Okay, then I've got some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger. I didn't actually grate the ginger. I thought like little bits of choppy bits might be nice. And then I've got some chilli. I've left the seeds and everything in because I used a jalapeno chilli, which is relatively mild. But I'll leave the chilli judgment up to you. Do whatever floats your boat. Just toss that about, introduce them to each other, and then I'm just going to put in some diced potato. You could use sweet potato if you wanted to, or what might be nice is to use half-half, so some sweet potato and some regular potato. All my dogs are prowling around the kitchen. They love the smell of the snook. I've actually reserved them some. Which will be great for their coats. So now you're going to fry the potatoes slightly, and then I've made up some vegetable stock that you can just as easily make out, some fish stock or some chicken stock, because you're going to need to just add a bit of that to get the potatoes sort of going. Alright, then we leave that for about 5 minutes or so. So kind of keep cooking and stirring and adding a bit of stock from time to time, sort of like making risotto, but not. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to season it. Now remember, if you use smoked snook or slightly salted snook, you don't want to add too much salt. You don't want it to be too salty. We've got some black pepper here. Some people add nutmeg. I'm not sure about that. I suppose if you add a bit of mace, that's quite a traditional, really old South African spice to add. And then I've got some fresh tomatoes. Now, a lot of people add canned tomatoes. I like the freshness of fresh tomatoes and sort of the lack of acidity. So I'm going to put those in just like that. Fabulous. Now I'm going to add a little bit more stock. And what I could do, I suppose, is put a lid on. Find one of those. Crash bang. To kind of hurry things up a bit. That way your potatoes will cook a bit faster. So we'll leave that for another 5 minutes. So that looks kind of about right. The potatoes are just starting to soften. Now you don't want them to be mushy, they've got to sort of keep their shape. I'm going to grate some lemon peel in there because I think fish and lemon is quite nice. We'll keep the lemon juice for serving. So just going to put that straight into the pan. And then I've got the snoek. Again, you know, keep the pieces biggish if you can. Some of this just sort of fell off the bone. So I'm just going to put the whole lot in. There we go. My hands and just toss that. It really is a very traditional, old-fashioned meal. Something that I can imagine sort of a fisherman's wife would make. But what we do know is naughty and nutritious and cheap. It's chips. I've got some fresh coriander, which I'm going to toss through any minute. I think it does need a bit of green going for it. If you wanted to, you could add some leaf masala, some curry powder, just to give it slightly more kind of Malay vibe. I'm going to get another. Sometimes it's easier to use 2 spoons because what happens then is you tend to have a lighter touch. Losing some, what's his name? Right, and that, guys, is that. Smoorsnoek, really simple, cheap and cheerful, healthy, and in lockdown.